In the March It doctrine, when physical links are up but traffic isn't moving, we check respiration, the control plane protocols. If the protocols aren't breathing, the network is suffocating. Today, we are triaging a severed handshake on the control plane. Let's look at the core. We jump into the core switch, show interface status. Port channel 1 is dead. It shows not connected. Physical links might be plugged in, but logically, this artery is severed. We verify with show ether channel summary. We need to see how this side is configured before we touch the downstream switch. Always know your baseline before you operate. Moving downstream to the IDF switch, we check the vitals here. Show interface status. Same story. Port channel 1 is not connected. We run show ether channel summary to check the protocol health. Look at the status. I for standalone. There is the hemorrhage. The core is expecting LACP. The IDF was configured for PAgP. The handshakes are failing. The protocol is suffocating. We don't need to overthink this. We just need to clear the airway and align the protocols. In medic mode, we clean the wound before we stitch it. We go into configuration mode and strip off the bad channel group command in both interfaces. Clear the bad logic first. Now we force the correct handshake. We use the help command to verify our syntax. We need LACP. That means active mode. We apply channel group 1 mode active to both physical interfaces. We are forcing the protocol to breathe. Immediately verify the vitals. Show ether channel summary. We have a P. The ports are bundled. We check show interface status. Port channel 1 is connected. Respiration is restored. We write memory to lock it in. The patient is stabilized. Finally, we double check the core switch. Trust, but verify. Port channel 1 is connected. The control plane is healthy. Don't panic when the links go dark. Check the respiration. Triage first, troubleshoot second.